I think we have a problem here. Conditions for skiing in some powder today. We're skiing powder. Skiing the powder. Pow pow. I think we have a problem here. We're on the lift and Lincoln only has one ski.
Why would you ski?
You need both?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
What happened?
It's right here. I think it was my fault. I think it was my fault. It was my fault. I'm sorry.
That kid had
I panicked. I panicked.
It's down there.
I just got nervous. Wasn't sure we were going to be able to make it. We did it. We're on. We got all the skis. Hi, bud.
Yeah, I just saw Cody.
Hi, Code. Well, that feels a little better, yeah? Holy cow. All the kids picked their gear and put it on real quick, and I just got stuck with my last helmet, and I put it on, and it was so tight, I thought, well, they must have messed up. Turns out I was wearing his helmet, and now we switched. I feel so much better. My head was pounding. I don't know where the other two are. We are here with our good friends, Connor Ward, the lawn guy, his kids. We're here skiing with them, and Olivia and Cody kind of go get lost. So I don't get much footage of them. Sorry, guys. But this is this is the first time you guys have ever skied like real powder. I mean, there is at least 8 inches of fresh powder. Pow pow.
What?
Welcome to the pow pow. Okay, potty break, everybody. In the middle of the mountain. It don't matter. Anybody ready for some lunch? Look at that line. Holy cow. Quit horsing around. Let's go ski. Those ones aren't yours. Raise your hand if you're full.
If I'm what?
And feel sluggish. I do. I feel like we're gonna go just scramble all that food we just ate. Hey, look at that board. It says hello. Watching you struggle after going potty is everything. I'm just waiting for that entire tree to dump that load of snow all over you. You better hurry. Oh, that's all right. Oh, you okay? Are you all right? Oh my. I don't know what I just witnessed, but that was, I think it's better off if I'm not filming. Good. Keep going. Keep your skis straight. Good job. Oh, there you go. Okay, bossy, your turn. Straight, 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 straight. Good job. Ooh, that was smooth.
How many pieces of snow do you think has fallen on the world? Like,
How many, like, snowflakes?
has fallen on the world?
I mean, it's not even a number. Not even countable, son.
giant snowman on the side.
That thing's like triple more than that.
That thing's triple my height, though. That thing's massive.
Holy cannoli, bye.
All of our ski equipment is returned. All of our snow clothes are laid out. I'm about ready to heat up some leftovers from Buco de Bipo, whatever. Something. I don't know what. I don't know what I just said. But we got everybody today a goggle sock.
So this is Cody's.
So it protects them.
Boston, that's mine. That's Olivia's.
I can't believe nobody wanted the dinosaur. I thought the dinosaur was cool.
There wasn't many options.
All right, favorite part about skiing today?
You have to do what you did last time.
Lincoln
show the
first.
clips as we say it.
Okay, I will. Lincoln,
mine-
if I have clips of them. Okay.
I think going to the top of the mountain and hitting a lot of jumps and going on the box rail.
You hitting the box rail? You did good.
I'm probably watching Cody go off that huge jump and clearing it.
Yeah, that was fun.
Going off all the jumps, and this time I was way more stable, so I could jump and land and stay up instead of collapsing like I did the first.
And the snow was a little better to
Yeah, it was all powder.
to jump in to begin with. It was like from the moment we got up there, I bet it snowed 5 inches at the top of the mountain already. Every ski lift we were on, it was just downpouring. It was a great day. Olivia is getting ready for a church dance tonight, so we'll have to get her favorite part next time. Once again, I think we missed out on Olivia's favorite part of it last time too. Dang it! I'll ask her.
She was in the shower.
Why does she get first showers every time?
No, she takes all the hot water though.
She takes all the hot water. Okay, guys, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.